Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send USDT from Tonkeeper to OKX Wallet. Now, in order to move your USDT tokens from your Tonkeeper wallet over to the OKX Web3 wallet, it's quite easy. Open up the Tonkeeper application. Once you've opened up Tonkeeper, make sure you have some Toncoin to cover your gas fees. If you do not, use the buy and sell option to simply buy yourself some Ton to cover your gas fees. Once you've bought yourself some Ton, click on the USDT. Make sure you have USDT on your wallet. Click on the send option, and then you're expected to provide an address and a comment. You can get all this info from your OKX wallet. So minimize and then open up the OKX platform. Once there, make sure you're on the OKX Web3. Once here, click on the receive icon and use the search icon at the top of the screen to search for USDT. Now we are to locate the USDT on the Ton blockchain. So scroll till you find the Ton, which is this USD. Here, click on USDTJ, copy this address, minimize, and then open up the Tonkeeper, paste the address there. As you can see, there is no requirement for a comment or a memo or a tag. So simply click on continue. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to send and hit continue again, and you would have successfully sent your USDT from your Tonkeeper wallet over to your OKX wallet. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.